What's up, guys? Sean from SRKcycles.com. And we got the, what are you, intern? You're an intern, right?
Yeah.
He's an intern. You can't see his face. You'll never see his face. Then we got Caleb in the back. I had this, an idea. I was like, let's do something for Halloween. Let's see some type of competition for Halloween. Me and Caleb were thinking about what the prize would be. We're like, maybe $1 million, maybe a new house, maybe a car, maybe a new motorcycle. But we're like, you know what? Those are all dumb and no one wants that stuff. So we decided that we should do $100 gift card to anything on bikesandbeardsgear.com, which would be the gloves. Although $100 does not get you a pair of gloves. $105 gift card on anything on Bikes and Beards. So you could get the gloves if you wanted it. You get gloves, you get tank straps, you get the Bikes and Beards hoodie, you get a shirt like this. You could even get like 3 or 4 pairs of leggings, Bikes and Beards leggings, which I think only my wife has a pair of them. I don't think anyone else ever bought them. So here's the competition, and we're trying to figure out the best way for you guys to send us the thing. Okay, how about this? Go to the Bikes and Beards or SRK Cycles. Go to the Facebook page. Go to our Facebook page. I'll put a link in it in below. Go to the Facebook page to upload your video or picture. But this is a pumpkin carving competition, and it's got to be something SRK Cycles related, which kind of just means motorcycle related. Kind of in the motorcycle genre. If it was some sick like SRK Cycles thumbnail picture, you're probably gonna win. So that's the competition. Make your sick SRK Cycles motorcycle themed pumpkin carving. Take a sick picture of it, put a candle or a flashlight behind it, and the winner is gonna get $105 in absolutely free Bikes and Beards gear stuff. It's gonna be sick. You could win. All you people who are like, I don't win anything, you could absolutely win this. You know what? On second thought, it sounds like you have confidence issues and you're a victim mentality. You're probably not going to win, but your possibilities are high. I'm not sure how many people are going to do this, but I'm super pumped to see what you guys do. Let me know in the comments if you're going to do it, and then just do it. You have to go buy a pumpkin, and you got to make it sick. Creativity is awesome. Make a video about it and then post it on the I don't know if it's SRK. Now post it on the Bikes and Beards Facebook page. That's how we're gonna do it. Guys at the shop are gonna carve pumpkins. It's gonna be sick, and we'll see you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe.